In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently export assets from your design, ensuring you get exactly what you need in the right formats and sizes. This process is a fundamental part of any design workflow, so let's get started and make this as straightforward as possible. First, let's focus on preparing your design for export. In the Layers panel, which is your main hub for organizing elements, you need to identify the layers or groups that you want to export. Hover your cursor over the layer or group, and you'll see a Mark for Export icon. Clicking on this icon will mark that specific layer or group for export. This is a crucial step because only the marked layers will be included in your export batch. Alternatively, if you're a fan of right-clicking, you can simply right-click on the desired layer and select the Mark for Export option from the context menu. It's worth mentioning that you can mark multiple layers or groups, even across different artboards. This makes it easy to gather all the elements you need, no matter where they are in your project. Next, it's time to check the export formats and options for each asset you've marked. By default, assets that are marked for export will be set to export in formats like PNG, SVG, or PDF. However, you have the option to choose the formats that best suit your needs. If you need your assets in multiple scales, such as 1x, 2x, or 3x for mobile displays, make sure to select these accordingly. This ensures your design looks sharp and professional across various devices. Now, once you've marked all the necessary assets and checked their export settings, it's time to initiate the batch export. If you're using a Mac, you can do this quickly by pressing Shift plus Command plus E. Windows users will use Shift plus Ctrl plus E. Alternatively, you can navigate through the menu. Go to File, then select Export, followed by Batch. This leads you to the Export dialog, where we'll finalize our settings. Inside the Export dialog, you'll choose Batch, or Marked for Export, as your export type. Select your target format, whether it be PNG, SVG, PDF, and set the platform settings if applicable, for example, Web, iOS, or Android. It's important here to carefully specify your destination folder and file naming conventions to keep everything organized. Once you're satisfied with all these settings, click on Export. The tool will then take care of exporting all your marked assets to your selected folder. Finally, take a moment to verify the exported assets. Double-check that they have the correct names, formats, and sizes you intended. Pay attention to any transparency or background requirements that might affect how your design appears. This review step is critical to ensure you have a seamless design handoff. And there you have it. With your assets properly exported, you're ready for whatever comes next in your design project.